In this video, I will show you how to pay with Venmo at Home Depot. So let's jump straight into it. So currently, as at the time of recording, Home Depot does not directly accept Venmo as a payment method. That's in their stores or on their website. However, there are still some ways that you can use Venmo for purchases at Home Depot. So because I'm in the UK, I can't actually access the Home Depot website as they are a US based company, but what I have done is put together this quick guide on some things you can try to pay with Venmo at Home Depot. So the first thing you can do is use a Venmo debit card. So if you have a Venmo debit card which is linked to your Venmo account, you can use it at Home Depot like any other debit card. Just simply go ahead and swipe or insert your Venmo debit card at the payment terminal in store, or alternatively, if you're on the website, enter the card details when you're checking out. Now, Venmo do offer a Venmo credit card, which is issued by Synchrony Bank. If you have this card, you can use it wherever MasterCard is accepted, including at Home Depot. Also, some third-party payment apps or services may allow you to use Venmo funds to purchase Home Depot gift cards. Once you've purchased a Home Depot gift card using Venmo, you can use the gift card for your purchases at Home Depot. Now, Home Depot accept various payment methods in their stores, including things like credit cards, debit cards, cash, and also mobile wallets, so things like Apple Pay and Google Pay. So whilst Venmo isn't directly accepted, what you can do is transfer funds from your Venmo account to your bank account, and then of course use your bank linked payment method at Home Depot. Now, for online purchases at Home Depot, you can use payment methods accepted on their website, such as for example credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal. If Venmo do offer a debit card or direct bank transfer feature, you may be able to use those methods indirectly. So it's always worth checking with Home Depot or Venmo for the most up-to-date information on accepted payment methods. Could be a case in the future that they do accept Venmo. At the time of recording, they currently don't, but of course these are some things you can do to pay with Venmo at Home Depot. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.